So I got some new concealers from e.l.f. So we're gonna try them and see, because I feel like these match me better. I haven't bought like different colors in a while, but we're gonna see how it goes. This is mostly gonna be a concealer routine. So I'm gonna start with rich chocolate. I have sunscreen on and that's what's gonna be my I feel like this is like skin tone close-ish shade, or like probably like one shade above my skin tone, probably. Close-ish. So I'm kind of just gonna use this as like my base concealer. And to like cover up spots and stuff. Then I'm gonna go in with a lighter concealer. This is gonna be like a pretty chill base routine. It's one that I've done before. It's kind of like when I want to wear makeup, but not really. This is Deep Olive. I don't think I've ever used this shade. I've used Deep Cinnamon, so I'm interested to see what this is gonna look like. And then we're gonna go in with a darker shade, the darkest shade, which is Rich Ebony. I hope it's not too red. It looked cool tone to me, but I don't know. Okay, it should be alright, I guess. Alright. So I'm gonna go in and blend the dark shade first and kind of give the under eye other shades just time to sit for more coverage. I kind of like to diffuse the coverage as it gets to the perimeter of my face, like more coverage in the center and then less as I'm making my way through. Oh, I really like that ebony shade. That is nice. I usually use like the putty bronzer, but it's nice to have like a liquid form of that. And the nose, of course, just whatever's left over. But yeah, it's nice to have like a liquid form of like a bronzer. I mean, I have the bronzer, but I mean like in the concealer, I don't know, there's something about using like products that are like the same to me that I'm like, of course they have to work well together, right? That's what I'd be thinking. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with just blending everything else. And I love how that concealer like covered up my dark spots right there. And I'm gonna use like excess to just like accentuate of the bronzer. Just like, yeah. blending the edges. Okay. Bright under eye. I like that olive shade. Oh my gosh, yeah. Okay, okay. I was thinking that I probably would have to go in with like foundation or like the Halo Glow, but I think this is okay. Like the colors are doing what they're supposed to do. I think I did a good job. Oh, and I put deep cinnamon, which I already had. That's what I cleaned up my brows with. I think I want to go in a little bit more though, just with the nose. The nose contour. Bronzer, I guess, though, because it's not cool tone. The accentuation of the nose, if you will. Yes. Okay, I feel like I'm about to do too much right now. Like I'm about to do too much by doing this. But it's gonna make my brain happy. I'm not gonna use the lightest color. I'm just gonna use like this color to do it. But just a little bit. And I'm gonna use my hand because I feel like if I use the brush, it's gonna like not do what I want it to do. Like it's gonna do the product like everywhere. But yeah, that's cute. I'm gonna go in with a matte press powder first. Let me make sure everything is blended. The under eye though. Before I do this. And I'm just going in with this like triangle sponge to do this. Yeah, these colors are good. You know when the blend is just blending? These colors should have just blending into each other like really well. They're just blending so well. I'm just using a matte press powder because that's what I want. I feel like this is like a little darker than like the under eye, but it's fine. And then I'm just gonna set everywhere else. I basically, when I underpaint, even though this is like not underpainting because I didn't go in with foundation afterwards, but I underpaint when I do with not only the liquids but the powders. Oh yes, yes, perfect, perfect. And then I want to set the brows too. Okay. Do I want to do... Now we're gonna set the bronzer. Oh, I forgot a little nose action. Well, upper action. I wouldn't just like set my whole face to kind of like blend everything together with a foundation, like a skin, like one powder that actually does match my skin tone to kind of get rid of those harsh lines. And I'm literally just using this brush because my other brush is not in arm's reach of me. Some like translucent powder. Sponge. Yeah, it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. Not my beauty marks. Not my beauty marks. Especially since I got like a whole bunch of spots now. Why is this not working? Okay, this one's like more precise anyways. My real one, and then the fake ones. I try like not to get carried away, but it's kind of like my touch to my makeup, so. It's like the finishing touches of my makeup. Just like kind of go over those with powder a little bit, just so it doesn't look shiny. So it looks like it's part of my skin. Okay, so I went to the Not Beauty pop-up, so we're gonna try that. I haven't tried it yet, like, at all. And I'm gonna use this e.l.f. This e.l.f. gliding pencil is so good. I got In the Flesh, so let's see how that looks.